Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in Canada after study. Start by checking your program and study status, then confirm you completed an eligible program. Next, decide between an open permit and an employer-specific permit and know which suits your goals. Prepare clear scans of your passport, study completion letter, transcripts, and any required immigration forms to speed up your application process. Check basic eligibility carefully before you invest time in forms. Confirm your program length and whether your institution is listed as eligible for post-graduation work permits. Verify you meet residency and study duration thresholds and that you finished your program as described on your transcript. If your temporary status is expired, explore restoration options promptly. Having eligibility confirmed prevents common refusals and saves weeks in processing. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers to keep meal prep simple during busy application days. They save spills and time and are great for lunches between appointments. Check the description for the container link and other deals if you want to grab them. Thanks for considering it. Now let's get back to the video. Organize documents before you start the online application to avoid interruptions. Scan a clear photo ID page of your passport, an official letter confirming program completion, and your academic transcripts. Pay application and biometrics fees online and download receipts immediately. Choose the correct application category and complete every field carefully, then upload files in the accepted formats. Monitor your account regularly for requests for additional documents or biometrics appointments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.